People ask me on a regular basis, how do you communicate your value? I mean, I'm trying to get paid, and I want to make the kind of money I want to make. I want to make more money. I want people to see how valuable I am and see exactly how much better I am than my competition. So how do I share that with them? What are the words that I use? Hi, it's Bill. It's Creative License. Of course, my sponsors, Electro Voice and Promo Only and DJ Event Planner. And of course, my workshop, The Entertainment Experience. You want to know more about those things, just look them up. They're great. That's why I take them on as sponsors. But anyway, back to the idea. The first answer I give people is, do you tell them that you are? I mean, really? I mean, do you have to have like a list of things that you do to show that you're valuable? Or can you just say that this is who I am, this is what I do, and I'm really good at it? Can you say that? I mean, really? And then after you do you walk the walk? Here's a really good one for you. I know people don't like to talk about pricing, but when guys tell me that I'm really, really valuable and I'm way better than everybody in my competition, but I don't charge more than about $100 or $200 more than them. Okay, well, you're sharing with me that you're more valuable, and then you're charging more to show that you're more valuable. But when your client looks out and hears from you, I am really good, I'm better than everybody else in my field, and then they look at your price and they look at everybody else's price, and you're $100, even $500 more, and they go, "What? That's it? I mean, how good could he be? I mean, really, how good could he be if he's only that much more valuable?" That's just one. What are the other things that you're doing so they can look you in the eyes and be able to tell that you have this value that you say? The way you dress, the way you talk, the way you walk, if you're on time, if you say what you do and do what you say. Are you a man of integrity? Do you care? Can they tell that you care without having to look at them? I really care. You can really trust me. I mean, really. The car dealer who looks at you and says, I'm telling you, man, this is the most trustworthy car lot in the world, and we really care about our customers. Is that the guy that you believe? Or is it the guy that actually walks the walk, that you hear from somebody else that he really is all these things? Think about it. Value is a conversation of words, but really it's a conversation of who you are out in the world. What do you think about this? Put your comments in the stuff below and tell me what you think. Otherwise, I'll see you next week on Creative License. Peace.